Hi, April 7th is International Beaver Appreciation Day. So I hope you'll join me in applauding these busy little creatures. I'm Rita Goldner, author and illustrator of children's picture books and a big fan of wildlife. So if you want to help me celebrate Beaver Appreciation Day by learning some fun facts about beavers and learning how to sketch one, just jump right in. Thanks. You'll just need a regular piece of white paper, computer paper is fine, and a red pencil, and also a regular number 2 black pencil. You could also use a black marker if you'd like, but you don't need it. You also won't need an eraser. In fact, I recommend against it because it'll just confuse the sketch. I'm starting with a photo reference of a beaver and a red crayon so I can just make shapes. Don't think of the shapes as body parts, but just as circles, ovals, triangles, lines, whatever. Just random shapes that you can break up the picture with. While I'm doing this, I'm going to be telling you some fun facts about beavers. They are one of the largest rodents on Earth. They have teeth that never stop growing. They chew on wood to keep their teeth from growing too long. You can see I've started to transfer the shapes that I made in red pencil onto another sheet of plain paper, and I just keep going. You can see I made the head too small, so I just made another head and then put little X's on the lines I didn't like. So I never erase, I just keep going, and if I see that I don't like a line or a shape, I just make another one and put little X's on the one that I don't like. Here's another fun fact. They have 2 dens inside their lodges. The first one for drying off because the entrance opening is underwater. And then a second den for after they have dried off, where the family gets together and socializes with each other. Here's a Native American tale about a beaver from the Ojibwe tribe. There was a beaver walking along that was very proud of his tail that was big and fluffy. He stopped to ask other woodland animals like a bird and a muskrat if they loved his tail and didn't they wish that they had one like it. The other animals thought he bragged too much. Then the beaver went to cut down a tree, and unfortunately he wasn't looking and it fell on his tail. When the creator asked the beaver why he was crying and found out why, he told the beaver that kindness and wisdom were more important than a beautiful tail, and besides now he could use the flat tail to swim better, and he could slap the surface of the water to send messages to other beavers. As you can see, I picked out all my favorite lines on this drawing, going over the red lines that I like with a black marker so they'll stand out. Once you've gotten this all done, you can copy it onto a good piece of paper and paint it. I hope you enjoyed learning some lesser-known facts about beavers and making a sketch of one. If you like this kind of video and would like to see more of them, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so that you'll be notified next time I post a video. Thanks for watching.